Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Donovan, and today we're going to take a look at some budget-friendly accessories for this device right here. This is the LG V40 ThinQ, and we're going to start out by taking a look at a screen protector from a company called IQ Shield that you can see right there. So this one's available for $8 or just under $8, and it's actually Amazon's choice, as you can see, for a screen protector for the LG V40 ThinQ, and it's actually the exact same screen protector that I'm using right now on my Google Pixel 3 XL, at least that brand. So it's been working out perfectly for that phone. They've been pretty much the most reliable screen protector company I've used. So IQ Shield, now just as a heads up, this is a liquid application screen protector, so kind of similar to what you would get with something like a ZAG screen protector. So it is not going to be the easiest of installations. It's not as easy as a tempered glass screen protector, but unfortunately with phones that have those curved edges, typically I've found that liquid application screen protectors work the best. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. In the package, you actually get two screen protectors, so two of these bad boys. You also get a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, because you're going to need that in order to push out the liquid once you've applied it. And then you also get some instructions as well. So they do have some instructions on how to install it. So go ahead and check that out before you actually install the screen protector. I'm going to go ahead and do it on camera. We're going to do it real fast. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you these two cases that I picked up. Actually, Tudia sent them out to me for review. I already know this is the case I'm going to roll with because I've been using it actually already. This is the Tudia Lin and the Tudia Merge, so we'll talk about those in just a little bit. Make sure that they work with this quote-unquote case-friendly screen protector. But let's just go ahead and apply this screen protector right now. So first I'm going to remove the old one I had because that one's absolute junk, and then we'll get this one ready to go. Alright, so we got the screen protector installed, so I wanted to go ahead and show you what it looks like here. So you can see pretty much goes right up to the edge, goes around the cameras here, and then also over that earpiece. You can see pretty much right up to the edge. Has good coverage along the edges as well, and then down here on the bottom corner, same thing. Very good protection, so going to cover that whole screen, so that's awesome. So now let's go ahead and take a look at these two cases from Tudia, and I will say that I've already been using them a little bit, but I actually prefer the Tudia Merge in this case. So typically the Tudia Merge is a little bit of a thicker case, so this is a polycarbonate shell that you can see here with the inside being TPU, and I really like this design. I've always really liked the Merge, but I've always felt it's a little bit thick, but on this phone for some reason it's actually not too bad at all, because the LG V40 ThinQ is kind of a thin phone, as you would imagine by the name. But you can see here that it does give some protection here over the front of the phone, so that's awesome. And so obviously if you can set the phone down, you're not going to have it directly on whatever surface that it's sitting down on. But then you also get that extra protection from the polycarbonate here. And then you can see here for the fingerprint sensor, they kind of have a lead into the fingerprint sensor, so I like that. And then also those nice protrusion on the buttons. So I actually prefer the Tudia Merge in this case. That's not usually the case. Normally I like the Tudia Lin, which is what they call this one over here. So with the Tudia Lin, you can see they have that polycarbonate look here, and then also, sorry, the carbon fiber look, and this is again a TPU case. So same thing you get here, only without that extra polycarbonate shell on the back of it. So a little less protection, but the reason why I don't actually like the Tudia Lin a whole lot here is it's very similar. So again, good protrusion there. It has a nice lead into the fingerprint sensor, obviously protecting the camera as well, and works just fine with the screen protector that I just installed. But the reason why I actually don't like this one a whole lot is because it's a little bit I don't know, it feels like it could fall off of the phone just a little bit. So I don't know, it just doesn't have quite the grip on the phone that I would expect. So that would just be a slight concern for me. Not that it feels like it's going to fall out or anything, but it definitely doesn't feel as secure. Like I feel like I could pretty easily pull that off, whereas with the 2D Emerge, I think a lot of it has to do with the fact that that polycarbonate's holding it in there a little bit tighter. But this is definitely my preference of the two cases here from 2D. So anyways, this one's available for just under $10, and then the 2D Emerge is available, the 2D Lin is available for just under $8. So again, we have $8, $8, and just under $10. So awesome, inexpensive accessories for your LG V40 ThinQ. Check them out in links down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.